Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a newsletter sign up form to the footer of your WordPress website. So of course guys, start by installing a plugin for your newsletter. So you can use MailPoet, but you can also use newsletter or WP forms, WordPress forms. So here you can go to the plugins form builder and of course create your newsletter sign up form. And you can customize the design and set the fields you need there. Make sure your form is connected to a subscriber list and set any confirmation messages or welcome emails. And if you're using Elementor, you can go to the theme builder and edit the footer. You just need to drag in a short code widget and paste your form's short code. And once everything's set, you can click save or update and then preview your site. There you will now see the newsletter form in the footer. And that's it, guys. You've added a working newsletter form to your WordPress footer. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.